me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade, every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. The horizon calm like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow nice and soft and low. The horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bass line deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In the stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon, slow tide, yeah. Reflection, quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside, let your spirit guide. Soft guitar just paints the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real, every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need, set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away, live within the now today. In this slow we understand life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside, let your spirit glide. Slow tide, let it ride. Daydream. Yeah. Drifting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone. Feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loose, let it play. Take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound. Let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soaring wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. It's our skank, just keeps it tight. Rolling softly day to night. Baseline smooth and never stops. Like the tide, it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day. Let it carry you away. Round and round, the feeling goes like a song you always know. In this cycle, you can see this is pure simplicity. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soothing wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. again, again. Sunlight dancing on the sea feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. Sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more. Just the waves along the shore. Beat bass moving nice and low. Like the tide, it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound. Peace is everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain. Soft and summer rain. In this moment you can see this is where you're meant to be. Ocean breeze therapy, set your spirit free. Let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Ocean air, take me there. Go. Ocean air, take me there. Clouds in sight, everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you, nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall, let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just the vibe, let your body come alive. And heartbeat flow, let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit go. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighten up inside your heart. it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit go. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow. Shake you slow. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit go. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow. Let it go. Heartbeat. Slow time. Yeah. Reflection. Quiet waves upon the shore. Teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear. Everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea, like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Peace within your mind. Calm tide, reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide, like a gentle tide. Calm tide, reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit glide. Soft guitar just paints the air. Simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real. Every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need. Set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away. Live within the now today. In this flow we understand. Life is more than we had planned. Life is more than we had planned. Slow time. Let it ride. Ah. Ah. ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue, every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time, everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes, feel it near, nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Echo guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow.
Lazy day, afternoon, sun is high, moving slow, shadows stretching down below. No agenda, nowhere to be, just the shade and the sea. Gentle waves, steady sound, peace is all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time, life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide, no more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand Life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Lazy, drifting slow.
Yeah, good morning, island flow. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow.
flank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you've gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right, from the day to night. Energy, feel the breeze. Energy, feel the breeze.
Slow motion. Everything just moving slow. Golden light begins to glow. Ocean breathing in and out. Silence louder than the crowd. Footsteps soft along the sand. No more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide, with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade, in the light and shade. Steel drum whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow. Slow motion. Closed eyes. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide, with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade, in the light and shade. simple, wild and free. Slow motion, slow motion, feel the calm, feel the rush. Slow motion, like a dream you can't deny.
Golden hour, let it drift. Sun goes down in slow motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drift, let it flow, there's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow, let the island take control. Golden hour drift, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go, this is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour trip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour drift, golden drifting slow. Golden hour drift, golden drifting slow. Golden drifting slow. Yeah, gather round. Beachside vibe,
come shining soft and bright.